Hello, my name is Rubia Marisol Torres. I am a student of Bachelor of Foreign Language in fourth semester. I'm gonna to answer some question about Elon Musk. The first one is what do you know about this visionary? Elon Musk is a second people, a second wealthiest in the world. Is he has a lot of money, and he is born in Pretoria in South Africa, but he has two citizens in Canada and USA. He is CEO of Tesla. He is a entrepreneur, and he is a businessman, investor. He is a leadership in around the world. And the second question is, what do you think of his business and company? I think he is a leadership. He is disciplined, and he has obtained all his money with your work. And he knows about the discipline. He knows about leadership, and he get all the time money because he is invest in the best companies. The third question is, what is the influence that this character has on the world and society? Okay, I think he always focus on in important areas in the world. He knows about energy, renewable energy, the internet, all about internet network, and he likes to uh, work in space, in the space. Yes, he is influenced to the business to change and transform the society, the environment, and he likes to transform these areas. He always he was try to understand all about the renewed in all the areas. For example, in the space, in a energy, solar energy. Uh, for that, he is a founder, a president of the big companies about energy, like Tesla Energy, like Starling or Solar City. And okay, the another question is, what do you think of the use he makes of his money? Okay, he is a leadership. He always think about the transform the world. Yes, and his money uh, is for that subjects, for that projects, and he likes because he likes that subject because is very rentable for him and for the environment. He think to do very well to the people, to the society, to his the hair. Okay. What would you do if you were a millionaire? Okay, if I will be a millionaire, I think I uh, invest in the children and the people adult, the major adult, because they are the more um, fragile people. The children now we need more attention. They need more. They had more needs. The same the other people, the citizen people, and I invest in college and schools for a special attention for the children and the major people. Okay, thank you very much. Have a good night.